Welcome to the Shopware major release news for the Shopware 6.6, our latest major version. In this video, you will learn why this is an important milestone, what changes and benefits come with the new versions, and what this means for the future releases. With Shopware 6.6, we focus on profound technical and technological improvements to enhance the performance, security, and flexibility of our platform. Although these changes mostly occur under the hood and thus are not directly visible to merchants, they nevertheless lay the foundation for a more robust and future-proof e-commerce solution. The key aspects of the new major version include faster online store pages, up to 6 times more efficient indexing for multilingual online stores, numerous technology upgrades, increased security, robustness and compatibility, enhanced configurability for individual adjustments, technical functionalities that were previously hidden behind feature flags, improved extension possibilities for developers, paving the way for innovative features that will come with the next minor releases. So now from the beginning. Shopware 6.6 introduces improvements in loading times, offering 2 crucial advantages. Firstly, shoppers experience a smoother and more pleasant shopping journey. Secondly, loading times are a significant ranking factor for search engine optimization. Thus, enhanced page speed can lead to higher rankings in search engine results, increasing the visibility and reach of the online store. Also, in Shopware 6.6, we've made significant strides in optimizing search performances in multilingual online stores. By adjusting the elastic search mapping data to support multilingual or multiple languages in a single index, store owners now experience markedly improved performance when updating and re-indexing their product data. By utilizing the latest standards, Shopware 6.6 offers not only a platform that is more powerful and secure, but also guarantees future-proof compatibility. So you can find our changes and technical features for the Shopware 6.6 in our documentation under Update Guides and then Update Guide Shopware 6.6. So as you can see, here are the new system requirements, the technical features, and the list for the core features. Core features, good keyword. So the first feature you'll notice is the Stay Signed In option in the login window. So if you click this button here, you will stay signed in after a login. So this feature, frequently requested by the community, now integrated into the new major version. It's practically useful for users and teams who spend long periods in the administration and do not wish to be interrupted. So by selecting the new checkbox upon login, they will now be automatically logged out after 14 days instead of 30 minutes. There are also these 2 other new core features: the new stock handling and the fixed path for media. With the new stock handling, the available stock is now recalculated when an order is placed. Before, it was recalculated when the order was completed. Also, the stock handling can be deactivated within the settings. The fixed path for media. The path for each media file is now stored in the database. Before, the path was rendered for each load, which affected the storefront performance. It caused loading errors in the latest version of 6.5. But at this point, I'm still not getting to the end, because we have already released the Shopware 6.6 1.0. This minor release comes with a lot of improvement, such as staging mode, a new HTML element in CMS, media cleanup, as well as S3 speed improvements. Additionally, about 80 bugs were fixed in this release. Worth mentioning here are a major improvement with the B2B components and some additional functions in the digital sales room feature. Let's start with the information on the update for B2B approval rules and rights management. So we have now expanded the approval rules and rights management further, enabling you to also use it for B2B employee management. So this way you can establish rules for the approval of orders. To this end, we've added a rule builder to the storefront. So previously there was only an interface for plugins to add conditions. This rule builder is based on the rule builder already known from the administration, meaning it can also be extended. So customers and agencies can thus utilize additional options to define rules in the B2B context or adapt them with respect to their projects and requirements. And now to the end, there are a few more new features in the digital sales room feature. These await you from the update to 6.6.1.0. The PWA is being replaced by Shopware frontends. Numerous UX improvements for guides and participants, more customization options for backgrounds during video transmissions, and expansion of video functions, so choose between different views. Last but not least, we extend our heartfelt thanks to all GitHub contributors for their pull requests that have been incorporated into this version.